Hello and welcome back to another Understand Your Buying video. In this video, we're looking at the maintenance effect. So what is it? Well, if your offering requires little to no maintenance, then it can be an attractive proposition to buyers who are often looking to exclude the negative, difficult, or inconvenient from solving their problems and living their life. And in the example there, fencing made simple, maintenance-free fence posts. I mean, quite frankly, I don't know what kind of maintenance you'd have to carry out on a fence post, but the fact they're maintenance-free is attractive. So how does it work? Well, it works because it's following the path of least resistance. We're appealing to convenience. A solution that needs little to no maintenance, even if it's slightly more expensive, is an attractive thing as it saves energy, time, and potential complication over the longer term. So even if something is slightly more expensive, the fact that it's low maintenance or no maintenance can justify that additional spend. So how can you use it? Well, consider the problem your buyer is trying to solve and what they're really looking for. What are the costs? What are the complications? What are the things that could arise or go wrong or need attention over the long term? If your offering already solves these issues, then it's worth promoting. If your offering could change to be low or no maintenance, then it's worth trying to adapt this approach. So think about where your offering would need any kind of amending, changing, looking after, housekeeping, whatever it is. And this isn't really limited to physical products, so it's mostly physical products in the main, but think about where your service, your product would need some kind of human intervention, some kind of assistance in the future. And could you eliminate that or drastically reduce it? Or by nature of your offering, does it not even exist, but you're just not talking about it? So that's the maintenance effect. If your offering requires very little or no maintenance, then it's a powerful talking point and a really good means of conversion.
Well, that's it for another Understand Your Buyer video. And if you like this kind of stuff, then you'll definitely like the book, which you can buy at understandyourbuyer.com.